Hi, I'm John Voelker. I'm the director of State Courts, and I've appeared on a panel discussing the future of the legal profession. Well, the e-filing system is ready to go, implemented in 18 counties. The Supreme Court rules were recently changed over the last couple of years to make it feasible that we can actually accept electronically filed documents. In fact, the Court of Appeals now does require electronically filed briefs. But at the circuit court level, we are in 18 counties. Volume has been relatively small to date as we gradually roll this out. Our biggest opportunity at this point is the fact that Milwaukee County has recently implemented e-filing and is starting to increase the volume of e-filing. Our goal at this point is to really work with the 18 counties that have e-filing implemented to increase the volume, to make sure that the system is convenient for the users as well as the clerk of court's office as well as the judges, and then we hope to expand throughout the state. From a lawyer's point of view, it should be convenient in that you don't have to travel to the courthouse, and that could be if you are in a rural part of Wisconsin, you don't have to drive a number of miles to the closest courthouse, or if you're in a metropolitan area that you don't have to deal with traffic to get to the courthouse. So it should be convenient, number one. Number two, it should be accessible. An accessible file is one in that you can access the whole file at any time. So you have filed your briefs, etc. You can log in on any time and see those documents as well as any documents filed by the other party. In addition, you'll be notified anytime anything is filed regarding your case. So you should be up to date, access, and at any time. And really the third big thing is 24 hours a day. You want to file, not only is it convenient that you don't have to go to the courthouse, be it miles or traffic, but you also can do it at 11 o'clock at night, 2 in the morning, etc. So it really does provide a 24-hour service and a convenient service at that. For the clerk of courts aspect, due to the pressures we are facing at the county level, they're always looking for efficiencies. And really this does provide a huge efficiency in the fact, number one is the data is entered right from the information provided by the attorney is automatically entered into CCAP. So we will not have anybody doing data entry for these cases, which can save a lot of time. We now become more case managers as opposed to data entry personnel. Number two is there is no who's got the paper file. Does the judge have it? Does the clerk have it? It's not in the spot on the shelf. Who's got it? Is it lost? Anybody can access from the judge on the bench to the clerk in the clerk of court's office at the same time. So the access not only for the lawyers at any time, but access for the judges and clerks of court at the same time. You're not going up and down the hallway looking for the file. We wanted to make sure that it was a good system that people, when they started to use it, didn't run into what I call clunky application and then be turned off by it. We think we're to that point. However, we continue to look for improvements. Just recently implementing in Milwaukee really expanded the number of users and the number of issues that we might face. And based on comments that we've gotten from those users, we've already issued one patch to the system that we hope makes it more convenient, and we're working on another one. So as this continues to roll out, I really think it will continue to provide a big opportunity for folks.